Formula One, often simply called F1, is the world's most prestigious and advanced form of auto racing. Think of it as the pinnacle of motorsports, where the most skilled drivers compete in cars engineered for maximum speed, agility, and technological innovation. Unlike NASCAR, which is especially popular in the United States and features stock cars racing on oval tracks, Formula One is a global competition that races on a variety of circuits in cities and countrysides around the world. These tracks feature sharp turns, long straights, and elevation changes that test every aspect of a driver's skill. Each race, known as a Grand Prix, brings together 20 drivers from 10 teams. Major manufacturers like Mercedes, Ferrari, and Red Bull invest millions in research and development for their cars. The races span 5 continents, from the bright lights of Monaco's winding streets to the high-speed straights of Monza in Italy and the modern circuits of the Middle East and Asia. Drivers in F1 are household names in many parts of the world, lauded for their quick reflexes, strategic thinking, and physical endurance. They race at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, enduring high G-forces with every turn and maneuver. But Formula One is not just about individual talent. It's a team sport. Behind every victory stands a group of engineers, mechanics, and strategists, all working in harmony to outsmart the competition. The season is divided into a series of races, and points are awarded based on finishing positions. At the end of the year, 2 championships are awarded, one to the best driver and another to the top team. For many, Formula One is more than just a race. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology, global culture, and human drama, making it a thrilling spectacle watched by millions around the globe.